Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial. On this video, I'm gonna show how to install drivers on Windows 11. So before starting, guys, let's start. Currently, Windows 11 is in beta stage, so none of the manufacturers are providing Windows 11 drivers. But Windows has improved a lot and it provides the necessary drivers required. And let me also mention that after installing Windows 10 drivers on Windows 11, it may misbehave for installing the drivers. Open Settings and then Windows Update and make sure that you have connected internet. Click on Check for Updates and it will download and install all the major drivers. Now, to install all the drivers, click on View Optional Updates, expand Driver Updates, and select all the drivers. However, firmware driver is unnecessary. After selecting the drivers, click on Download and Install, and it will download and install all the drivers. If any of the driver fails to download or install, click on Retry and it will be done. After all the drivers are installed, click on Restart Now, and after restart, all drivers should have installed. PC has been restarted. Now, again, check for updates, and if anything is remaining, it will download and install on automatically. And as of now, everything is done. And let me show you that in Windows Device Manager, all hardwares are being detected and performing absolutely fine. So that was it. And that's all. Thank you for watching.
My life after I found another.